This video is sponsored by Autonomous. If you are a photographer or a content creator, you probably spend a lot of time on a chair editing. It might be end up to 7 to 8 hours a day. In my case, it can even get up to 11 hours a day. That's why for the longest time I had back pain. And that's why it's truly important to invest in an ergonomic chair now than having to deal with back pain problem later. The Ergo Chair 2 is one of the most affordable ergonomic office chairs currently on the market that offers such a wide range of seat adjustment and customization. Its price makes it one of the best options to choose from, and it competes directly with many higher-end Ergo chairs. Please visit the link in the description box below if you're interested. Thank you Autonomous for sponsoring this video. If you're interested to check out their items, the link will be in the description. Anyway, this is Kaiwan and welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. Today is the day where I'm giving away another free preset pack, and in today's video, it will be probably one of my favorite preset pack that I created recently. Also in this pack, I've included the old version of LIGHTROOM preset. A lot of you guys were complaining that you don't have the latest LIGHTROOM version, which you cannot basically import those preset because they are XMP format and they are required to have the latest version. But in this pack you get LR template format plus XMP format. This is a great pack to give awesome film and grain look, to get a very deep nostalgic vibe look to your photos. And if you want to support my channel, go visit kaiwanproduction.com where you can find all of my preset packs, LUTs, overlays, and many more digital assets for your photography and filmmaking. Now without further ado, let's jump to Lightroom and review the preset pack. Alright, so here we are in Lightroom and I have some photos downloaded from Unsplash to get a similar vibe here. For example, this, and this. And I think most of the photos are taken by Katie Dradaskate. I hope I pronounced the name in the right name, but these are all the names here. You can check it out if you want, if you're interested to download these pictures. Anyway, so let's go ahead by applying one of this preset here. As you can see from NF1, NF-1, it's a bit less contrast. NF1 is a bit more contrast, but similar look. And then we have NF2, NF2 minus, NF2 plus, and then so on. Okay, so I think my favorite would be NF4 for this one, or NF1. I think with a little bit of adjustment, maybe add more brightness, bring down a little bit of that, and add a little bit of warm tone. Wait, a little bit of, maybe you can even add like a, create like a circle of warm tone here. Click invert, and then add a little bit of more exposure with a little bit of warm tone. So you guys, before, after, before, after. Next one, we have this picture, also similar to the first one. I think I would go with NF minus 3 minus. Let's jump to the next one. I think this would be really interesting to see. I really like NF1 here. We have NF2. Super nice. Okay, I think I would go with NF1, pretty vibey. And here, I'll probably go with the same one. And then we have this one again by the same photographer, Katia. And then we have NF1. I think NF1 was really deep. Oh, I love NF2 on this one. Before, after, before, after. And then we have this one by Kalisa Veer. I think NF3 would be perfect. NF3 plus, before, after, before, after. Again, I think this one would be the same. NF3 would be perfect, before, after, before, after. And we have this sample of picture. NF3 again. I think I would go with NF3. Maybe bring down a little bit of the temperature. And here we have this picture that I found really interesting by Pavel Szymанski. I think NF1 minus would be really nice on this. NF2 also. I think I would go NF2. This is before, after, before, after. Anyway, guys, so this is it basically. You can download right now for free and you can check it out by yourself. And let me know down below in the comment what do you want to see next? What kind of packs do you want me to create and give it away? Again, if you want to support my channel, please go ahead to kaiwanproduction.com where you can see my paid. Also, I have the whole bundle of my packs, which includes 24 packs, all preset packs, lots overlays. So it's a great opportunity to get all of my products for a huge discount up to 75%. The link will be in the description. Please check it out and I'll see you guys in the next one.